Do you want to use SaRA command line tool? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you want to use the command line version of Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant on a Windows computer, here is how you can do that. It is suitable for remote diagnostics of problems related to Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Here is how you can download and set up SaRA CMD on Windows computer. There may be times when you need to provide support for a remote computer related to Microsoft 365 apps. If downloading the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant is not possible due to some reason, you can use the command line version to get the job done. This video will show you how to use the command line version of Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant on Windows computers. The consumer version of Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant has been deprecated in November 2024, but you can use the enterprise version of SaRA, which is a command line tool. Now let's get started. How to use SaRA command line? First, download the enterprise version of SaRA from the official Microsoft website. After downloading, extract the done folder and save it elsewhere. Next, you have to open the command prompt as administrator. For that, search for CMD in the taskbar search box. Click on the Run as Administrator option and select the Yes option. Next, navigate to the Done folder. Let's say you have that folder on your desktop. For that, enter this command. Now you can enter commands to use the command line version of Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. These commands are available to use. In this command above, -S is a switch that denotes the type of diagnostics or scenario you want to perform or go through. There are other switches such as these. For instance, to uninstall my Office 2024, use the below. OfficeScrubScenario is the specific uninstall mode within the SaRA CMD tool. Depending upon the issue, SaRA will decide what to do next. As per the taken action, it may show various messages in the command prompt window, and some of them are like these. An offline scan was performed because Outlook is either not running or it is running elevated. See file name in %local app data %/SaRA log/upload logs. A full scan was performed. See file name in %local app data %/SaRA log/upload logs, and so on. SaRA CMD tool will write the logs to the %local app data %/SaRA logs folder. If the job is carried out successfully, you will see this message. 00 successfully completed the scenario. We recommend you restart the computer to finish any remaining cleanup tasks. Scenario finished with exit code. The best thing about this tool is that you don't have to choose an action. SaRA CMD tool automatically chooses the action on its own. You can read more and download it from docs.microsoft.com. You can learn more here. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.